Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to just talk a little bit about this. This is the GoPro Hero 7, and as you guys know, Hero 7 is like one of the best GoPros that you can buy as of today. I still consider it a lot better than the GoPro Heroes 9, 8 and even the 10 that I have. I just feel like this is more apt and more kind of one of the best GoPros that GoPro have ever designed, because it's just like plug and play. You need not worry about all that fancy stuff, modules, all that shit which we don't really care about, because all we need is something that we press and it should start recording. See, as soon as I do it, it probably starts it. This is the best thing about GoPro, right? I mean, you can see it just actually just works. I mean, this is something that I've been struggling with the GoPro Hero 10, but that's totally a different story. Let's not talk about it. But today I'm going to just show you one of the accessory that you can probably pick for a GoPro. Kind of makes life a lot easier actually for many of the situations that you end up using GoPro with. So this is the Ulanzi GP-16. It's actually a magnetic or a magnet polarized or magnet point based accessory for your GoPro. That means you can just kind of do this wherever you want, right? Especially metal objects. Now it comes in 3 accessories. Like, one is this is the base where your GoPro actually will kind of just sit on, and the bottom screw is the one that will just take it up. And this is the other one, that the accessory that it comes with is basically a neck strap, so you can just kind of put it on your neck, put this inside your shirt and just kind of hide it up and put the GoPro on. And the last one is basically this is actually a tripod kind of based base, so that means you can just kind of hook it up to your tripod or something like that. Like, let's say if you have a tripod or anything like that, which can just kind of that's like this, right? You can just kind of hook it up onto this, and you can just kind of change the position from here to from your neck strap to it to the tripod, and from the tripod to the car object or any metal object. So that's the overall use case about this this accessory that I'm talking about. Now let me tell you and show you like how it actually looks, right? So this is how it will go. Like, I have with Ulanzi microphone adapter here, so this will just go in here, and you have to just put your screw from here, like the GoPro screws, and that's it. You will have a pretty rough base now, so it will not go anywhere, and you can just take this, snap it wherever you want on any metal object or anywhere. That will just be suffice and strong enough to hold it. And as soon as you're done with, maybe just you're trying to record some like car video or something like that, placing it top of it or placing on the side door, or like showing up the lower angle or something like that. So once you're done, just remove it. You can just kind of, it plugs out. And maybe if you want to just kind of talk like this, maybe you can just kind of put it on side. And there's a strap here, so let me show you which one will actually matter. So this is a black strap that will just kind of control your overall height, right? So if you can just place it here, and yep, this is how it looks. You can adjust it based on your use case. Maybe if you want just a higher angle, you can just kind of put it up and do it in this way, right? And now once you're done, you may have to just kind of rotate it, because this oh, okay, all right. Yep, so this is how it looks, right? So if you have a nice fit, if you have a good body with some nice t-shirt which actually fits you perfectly, then this will not go anywhere. It's just like pretty much stick on, and you can just kind of press this whenever you are ready to go. And it looks quite realistic, not that bad, I would say. It just kind of looks quite neat in my opinion, because it is not that bulky. Maybe you can just even put it shorter by just kind of removing all this media mod cage and just kind of use a pretty much normal GoPro assis. So this is the first use case, like second use case probably. And the third one is basically this one. So I'm gonna just show you. I have to just remove this. All right, so it's off. So let me show you this one. So this is actually GoPro Hero 10, and this kind of sucks. I mean, so many issues with it. I really hate using this. So I probably will just keep my GoPro Hero 7 for longer, because that's a lot better. Alright, so now coming to this one, it's like pretty much as easy as you guys know. Just kind of place this in and tighten this up. That's it. So GoPro has a magnetic mount right now. So as soon as you're done with this angle, maybe you can let me just go back. So first phase is just putting on to a magnetic object. So I've just tied it up to my MacBook, and second one is probably this, right? This is the second angle, and the third one is maybe you should not take it out and just talk with it. So this is the third angle. So this is how efficiently and versatile this combination is, and probably I think GoPro should think about something. I think they do already have one, but I really doubt if it is as good as this. But so this was a quick video, guys. This was the Ulanzi GP-16, and this is actually a ripoff, I believe, from the Snap It. I believe, I think they sell it with that brand, but probably I don't know what about the copyrights and all shit. But this is how it actually works. Quite a good combination if in case you're planning to use it for your GoPro. So that was a quick video, guys. I know it's been pretty long that I did a video. It's been like pretty much life is keeping me busy, so no real time to do it, but got some time. So that was about it. So see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.